Hi everyone, we're back with a very exciting update to Fullscope's community tools. We have now added a built-in newsletter feature so that you can automatically notify and update your community on a recurring basis directly in their email inbox. How do you use it? Well, first you just need to log into your community as an admin, head down to the settings button on the right, and when you click here, you'll actually see highlighted for you this brand new newsletter feature. And all you have to do is turn it on. It's off by default, so don't worry. The system won't send any emails until you tell it to. And as you can see, you can decide at what frequency this newsletter will be going out. And what is a newsletter? Well, it is a customized summary of popular posts, of member activity, and of course, events from your group. So every person's email will look a little bit different depending on which post they're interacting with and how they are engaging in the group. So it's custom tailored to them and is going to hopefully inspire them to just log in more often, engage more often, and be an even better member of your group, which will help you to grow it and meet the goals that you have set for your online community. As always, if you have any questions about this feature or any others, reach out to the support team from within your account. They're online 24/7 and ready to help.